Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Samsung Tab S8 Plus. First of all, open your settings, then here I need to scroll down and find advanced features. Here I need to find screenshots and screen recorder, and then on the bottom we got screen recorder block, and first option in the list will be sound option. You can click and here you can change, for example, no sound, or media sounds and microphone. And for saving this option, you can change and it's saved automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.